peep the mini reel vlog. So Pops hits me, says, hey, there's this dirt bike in Charlotte, $400. Go get it. I'll send you the money. I said, okay, let's go. For it, and boom, loaded up on the trailer. 30 minutes later, boom, we're at the house. But it won't stay started because there's no gas. Oh, I come in the house. I need money. Money for gas. I don't know where to look. I don't have any dollars. Where do I get gas from? No money in my sock drawer. No money in my short drawer. No money in the toilet. Maybe there's money in the bottom of my bag. Ha ha! Boom! It's raining! We hopped in the truck. And just like that, we're back. We got some gas. Got a little spillage.